How to rotate image in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome. I welcome you to this tutorial because you've been learning how you can rotate image in Photopea. Rotating image in Photopea is simple. Follow me as I show you how to do so in today's tutorial. The first thing to do is to log into your Photopea account and select or open up a project. That is the project whose image you would want to rotate. Once you've done that, you'll be brought to the canvas. On this page, next thing to do is to select the image that you would like to rotate. Now, once you've selected the image just like this, go to the top part of the screen and then click on image. Right now, in the top part of the screen, you'll see a menu, right? Displaying some options such as file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, etc. Just select image, okay? Once you've selected image, you'd be taken to the image options. That is, a box will be displayed where you see different options of the image. So just scroll down until you see transform. Now once you see transform, click on it. Once you've clicked on it, a box will be displayed next to the transform option where you would see rotate 90 degrees, rotate by 90 degrees, rotate 180, flip, etc. Just select how you want to rotate it. Alright, you can see as I'm selecting it, it is rotating. Okay, it is rotating. Just play around it and select what the exact size you want, as you can see. So this is basically how you can rotate images on Photopea. And then if you want to try this out as an actual image, all you need to do is to click on file, click on open, then you'll be directed to your device's files, select the image you want to add. Alright, wait for it to load. Once it has loaded and you can see the image, this is it, select it. Alright, select it this way, go to image, click on transform, click on rotate, depending on the one. As you can see, it has rotated. So this is how you can do it. It is quick and easy, right? Yeah, go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.